guys, my name is Kaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not new, what's up? You already know what it is. I am back again today with another video, and in today's video I am reviewing 3 wigs, same style, 3 different colors. I don't have too much to say about it. This is my first time reviewing a half wig. It's a really good quality wig overall. I love the fact that it comes in so many different colors. These are all the colors that the wig comes in. The texture of the hair is the Futura fiber Kanekalon type of hair, so I love that texture of hair. It's a very blunt cut bob. It's probably about 10, 11, 12 inches because it stops right above my shoulders. Perfect length. I love all 3 colors. They're so appropriate for the fall, so I'm very excited for the fall. Overall, I would love the wig so much more if I could find a edge control that worked perfectly for my hair, because as you guys can tell, half wig, you have to leave some of your hair out, and I'm going to get a little closer so you guys can see my edges. My hair does not stay straight for very long, so that's the only reason why I'm afraid to wear the wig, is because my hair is going to frizz like crazy, and then my edges do not stay down long enough because I don't have a good edge control. So that's what my edges are looking like right now. I did gel them down, however they are curling up very quickly, as you can tell. This is the Sensational Nami wig, or Nami, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. The model is so freaking gorgeous. Like, this wig looks amazing on her, and I wish I could get my leave out to look like hers, but unfortunately this is what we're working with. I've straightened my hair I don't know how many times, and I only straighten the front part of my head, which is like the edges. Mind you, I have not straightened my hair in a very long time. It's probably been years for sure, because I never straighten my hair. I am natural, so this is what you're getting right now. I am going to show you all the rest of the colors and how I prepared them. just want to let you guys know that it is a really good quality wig, definitely big head friendly. I did not do the adjustable straps in the inside, which I do think I am going to because it is a little loose and it's sliding back. There's a comb right there in the center, and then you have one right in the middle of the back, so they're both like in the center of the wig, and it's not feeling very secure. I do feel like this could slide off at any moment, so I'm definitely going to make it a little bit tighter with the adjustable strap just to make it feel like it's squeezing my head a little bit more and a little bit tighter. You guys comment below and tell me what length, or you guys comment below and tell me which color you like the best based off all three that I chose. I'm kind of feeling the black and the lavender one. I'm not quite sure. Not really sure if you can part this wig. It doesn't have a parting option, so you really just leave your hair out in the front and then you can like make it work somehow how you want to. I personally really like this wig. I just have to find something to do to my leave out before I decide to wear it because it's already waving up and I haven't even went anywhere. I've only been sitting with this on my head for probably about like 10-15 minutes or so, and my hair is already starting to curl up. But yeah guys, it's a really good quality wig. I definitely think anybody should try this out because you have so many color options to try, and then hopefully they all start with like a 1B, so if you have blonde hair, it might not work for you, but it starts with like a 1B and then into a fade of a color. So if you have black hair, you could definitely try these wigs out, but if you have blonde hair, it probably wouldn't work out as well for you because, you know, for this to be my first half wig that I've ever tried, I'm actually very pleased with it. I just can't get over my hair. But if you guys know like something that I can do to help me out a little bit, please comment below and let me know. Definitely let me know how you guys like this review, the 3 different colors and which color you like best. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions about the wig, just leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer. Also putting everything below about where I got the wig from, how much it costs, and what the colors are. If you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.